MAPEI is always on the move with new innovations from its powerhouse R&D department. And we are pleased to announce yet another milestone in adhesive development with the introduction of Ultrabond ECO 399 heavy-duty pressure-sensitive multi-flooring adhesive. As our latest adhesive development for resilient flooring that requires high moisture resistance and heavy rolling load resistance, Ultrabond ECO 399 is an aggressive pressure-sensitive adhesive with enhanced dimensional control properties designed for the installation of a wide variety of resilient flooring types. You really can't ask for more from an adhesive for resilient flooring. Ultrabond ECO 399 delivers on all counts with superior moisture resistance, making it suitable for use on concrete slabs with relative humidity levels up to 99%. Ultrabond ECO 399 is also designed with high shear strength that can minimize gapping by controlling some of the shrinkage inherent in most LVT. With that high shear strength also comes heavy rolling load resistance, making Ultrabond ECO 399 a perfect adhesive choice for demanding floor installations. Ultrabond ECO 399 is approved for use with a wide variety of luxury vinyl tile and luxury vinyl plank, as well as cork underlayment and vinyl-backed and polyolefin-backed carpet tile. Let Ultrabond ECO 399 be your best choice for LVT and resilient floor installations. You will rest assured that what you install will look just as good in the future as it does the day you installed it. For more information, visit www.mapei.com.